Lucius Tarquinius Priscus, The Chronicles of Power. Chapter 1, The Rise of Lucius Tarquinius Priscus.
Birth and early life.
Born in the early 7th century BC, Lucius Tarquinius Priscus's lineage can be traced back to the ancient city of Corinth. He was the son of Demaratus, a Corinthian noble. Despite his noble heritage, the political turmoil in his homeland led his family to emigrate to Etruria, a region in central Italy, when he was a young child. Tarquinius spent his formative years in Etruria, adopting the native Etruscan name Lucumo. It was during this period that he absorbed the wealth of knowledge, political acumen, and military tactics of Etruscans, which would later prove instrumental in his rise to power. As a young man, he accumulated substantial wealth and respect within the local community. His ambitions, however, could not be contained in Etruria. At the insistence of his wife, Tanaquil, he decided to move to Rome, after an auspicious omen allegedly predicted a grand destiny. In Rome, Tarquinius impressed the reigning king, Ancus Marcius, with his intellect, charisma, and wisdom. He quickly ascended the ranks of Roman high society, earning the trust and respect of the king, who later appointed him as the guardian of his sons. This position would later lead to his ascendancy to the throne, changing the course of Roman history.
Ascendancy to authority.
The rise to power of the man known in history as Lucius Tarquinius Priscus, the legendary fifth king of Rome, is a tale steeped in intrigue and strategic alliances. He was born to a noble but exiled family in the Etruscan city of Tarquinii, and his journey to authority began with his move to Rome with his wife, Tanaquil. His stellar tactical prowess and amiable personality made him a revered figure in Rome. When Ancus Marcius, the fourth Roman king, witnessed his diplomacy, he appointed Priscus as guardian to his sons. This demonstrated the genuine trust and respect Priscus had gained even from the reigning king, firmly establishing his political stature. Upon Marcius's death, notwithstanding the designated heirs, Priscus seized the opportunity and assumed control over Rome. He strategically intercepted and withheld the news of the king's death until he secured control over the Roman public assembly, which had the power to elect the new king. During his reign, he initiated a series of significant infrastructural developments and military expansions, transforming Rome in the process. Thus, his ascendancy to authority was both shrewd and transformational, marking a significant epoch in Roman history.
Chapter 2, The Rise of Priscus.
Governance and reform.
As the fifth king during the Roman monarchy, Lucius Tarquinius Priscus marked a significant era of governance reforms. Known for his potent blend of coruscating ambition and perspicacious governance, Priscus heavily funded public works projects, enriching Rome's stature and strength. Crucial to Priscus's reign was his implementation of constitutional reforms, including the addition of 100 new members to the Senate, thereby doubling its size. Hailing from lesser-known aristocratic families, these members were referred to as the Patres Minorum Gentium, showcasing his effort in democratizing the Senate's membership. Further, he showcased his military aptitude through significant conquests extending Rome's boundaries and influence. Effectively, he reformed the centuria, the military and voting structure of Rome, allowing greater influence for the wealthy while also incorporating the commoners. Priscus's enduring legacy also includes the inception of the Roman games Ludi Romani. Conceived both as a religious duty and political mechanism, the games served to foster civic identity among Romans. His reign was characterized by the integration of religious, military, and political reforms, embodying an intricate symbiosis of governance tactics that indelibly shaped Rome's trajectory.
Later years and death.
In his later years, Lucius Tarquinius Priscus, known as the Elder and the fifth king of Rome, made notable contributions to the city's infrastructure, including the construction of Rome's first sewer system, the Cloaca Maxima, and the Circus Maximus, a major venue for public games. The latter part of his reign was also marked by successful military campaigns that further expanded Rome's territorial gains. However, his term was abruptly ended when he was assassinated in 579 BC by the sons of Ancus Marcius, his predecessor, who felt wronged by Priscus's ascension to the throne given their father's lineage. Despite his untimely death, Priscus left an enduring legacy on the city of Rome. His infrastructural projects brought significant improvements to the city's sanitation, street systems, and public establishments, laying the groundwork for Rome's future as a major metropole. Interestingly, his death led to the succession of his son-in-law, Servius Tullius, often considered one of Rome's greatest kings. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos so you never miss out. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos.
The voices in this recording were created with the assistance of OpenAI.